I couldn't find a handle with my name as Vani Murthy. So dabbling in what to put, should I put compost or something waste and this and that. Then this Worm Rani came up.
Radio Nasha Heroine Awards, an opportunity for me to actually bring to you some fabulous women who have inspired me. आज मेरे साथ जो स्क्रीन पर हैं, इनको आप वैसे भी स्क्रीन पर ही देखते हैं काफी. इनका नाम है वानी मूर्ति. इनको आप अगर इंस्टाग्राम पर फॉलो करते हैं, then she's Worm Rani. तो यहाँ पर Rani meets the heroine. Thank you so much for accepting my invitation and welcome to Radio Nasha, man. कैसी हैं आप?
Thank you, Rohini. बहुत अच्छी हूँ.
That's wonderful. You know, I want to start off this conversation by asking you a very pointed question. And the question is, इस वक्त आपको Instagram पर कितने लोग follow कर रहे हैं? Do you even count? Do you even know how many followers?
It's crossed 125. I'm not too sure.
Yeah, 125,000 people. That's amazing. That's amazing. अब वानी मूर्ति को अगर आप follow करेंगे Instagram पर, you'll see she's constantly talking to her plants. She's growing things. मतलब घर में गार्डन है जहां पर बैठी आप देख सकते हैं. कभी इनके गार्डन में करेले उग रहे हैं, कभी भोपला उग रहा है, कभी बैंगन बन रहा है. And इसके साथ साथ you've literally like shown us all how we can all be, you know, home gardeners or home grocers, if I may. इसकी शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई और सोशल मीडिया का साथ कब हुआ आपके लिए?
वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट का जो जर्नी था काफी बहुत दिन के पहले शुरू हुआ. 2009, 8 and 9 में शुरू हुआ हमारा. तो by then I was on Facebook already in 2007. So social media was not new to me. तो वहाँ पे तो we visited the landfill. We formed a group जिसका भी we call ourselves Solid Waste Management Roundtable. जो ये लैंडफिल में जाके when we saw how our waste, जो हमारा कचरा जो मिक्स जाता है वो कितना पोल्यूट करता है. और when we came back we realized that we need to be practitioners to, you know, even launch any campaign. So we were very to keep our city clean and, you know, make sure that there's less pollution in our city. That's how we came together, and from there it started the journey. And it's been never-ending, relentless. We never give up because we believe if we could change, the city can change, the country can change, the world can change. Today, global warming is a reality. We all need to reverse that. So what are you contributing in nurturing this planet than trashing the planet? So it all started there.
You know, I love the passion with which you talk about solid waste management, SWMRT, जिसके साथ आप जुड़ी हुई हैं. This is a movement जो आपने शुरू किया है. Just to tell our listeners, this is in Bangalore, okay? And मैं मानती हूँ कि हर शहर को इसकी जरूरत है. This is a bunch of citizens who came together and said, अगर हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो हमारा शहर जो है वो, you know, कहीं ना कहीं कचरे के नीचे डूब जाएगा. मुंबई शहर में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो करते हैं. But what's incredible, Vani, about your journey is the fact that you have embraced social media like nobody else. And मेरे हिसाब से that's great because, you know, मुझे याद है लॉकडाउन में I was trying to get inspired to grow my own garden. And my neighbor actually, she sent me your Insta profile and she said, इनको follow करो. And I said, Worm Rani. अच्छा, तो ये Worm Rani कहाँ से आया नाम, मुझे बताइए.
नहीं, कोई सजेस्ट किया होगा मेरा friends. I have made a lot of young friends around me because I couldn't find a handle with my name as Vani Murthy. So dabbling in what to put, should I put compost or something waste and this and that. Then this Worm Rani came up because I am known to a person who carries my earthworms and showcases it wherever I go. In all my demos that I do, I take my worms, the babies that I have, you know, and it gives the curiosity in people to understand because to me, I'm a very visual person. I love to do demos. It's not just talking. It has to be, I would take my car boot will be full of stuff that I need to show people. There'll be posters, there'll be everything. So worms are something that people associate me with. You know, they keep asking me if they can come and pick up some worms for their own composting. I've been giving away so many worms because they multiply. They're doubling every month. So I need to, you know, find homes for them.
Let's try and teach my listeners something simple that they can do अपने अपने घरों में. जब हम waste management की बात करते हैं, we have been talking about first of all segregating waste in our homes, and it's the first step really. The second step, of course, is taking that wet waste and turning it into gold. यानी कि हम उस कचरे का, जिसको हम कचरा कहते हैं, उसे सोना कैसे बना सकते हैं. तो वानी, आई लव इट. अगर आप मुंबईकरों को बताएं कि वो अपने घर के छिलके वगैरह के साथ क्या कर सकते हैं, प्लीज बताइए.
ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल प्रोसेस है. सिर्फ अपना मन लगाने का है और बोलने, वी हैव टू से दैट दिस इज अ चॉइस आई मेक so that I can sustain it for the rest of my life. Composting is something that people will not take up very easily because they associate it with, it is bad smell. It could have creepy crawlies. Where is the space? Where is the time? All kinds of reasons will come before you start looking at composting. But when you look at contributing to a better world, that is one action, a daily action, because we all eat every day chilke nikalte hain, and all of them, when we let it go off our home, away from our home, it is causing pollution. It lands up somewhere or the other. So we are losing our resource, number one. Secondly, when you convert that in your home into this amazing black gold, we call it, the one that is a living soil, we are actually creating amazing, medium to grow food. And we get in touch with nature. We learn what natural food is, how tasty it is. So I think there's a lot of excitement that can be built around composting. You just have to dive into the process. It's very simple. There are 5 basic things that you have to remember. One is the waste that comes out our home. Make sure when you're doing the first time, it's just your peels, maybe your coffee and tea, maybe the eggshells. Don't put anything that's too much in liquid, like leftover spoiled gravy. Don't dump into your composting bin. You don't want it to be too wet, because too wet means it's smelly. Too wet means it'll invite too many creepy things. So we need to make sure that it is that. The second thing is that you need browns. That's the greens, the fresh one. The browns are dry leaves. I'm crazy about collecting dry leaves. In fact, I love people gifting me bags of dry leaves because they sweep up their compounds and their terraces and they send it to me. And the best gift that I can get, because I need them to balance my composting, because they are dry, the fresh waste is wet, right. And you need a good balance so that the process goes on without any issue. And then we need an accelerator to hasten the breakdown. So you can add a little bit of buttermilk, sour buttermilk you can add. Yes, that's available.
कि आप ना छाछ डालते हैं, तो ये मैंने आपसे सीखा. मैंने कहा wow, of course it's a natural probiotic and it's full of these the good bacteria, जिससे ये पूरा प्रोसेस जो है hasten हो जाएगा. Correct?
Correct, exactly.
Women's Day is coming up on the 8th of March. और अक्सर हम औरतों से पूछते हैं कि how do you manage, कि आपको तो घर भी देखना पड़ता है, आपको तो अपना काम भी देखना पड़ता है. But what I see in you, Vani, is this sort of passion that follows through. Love to know a little bit more about Vani Murthy, the person. I'm sure you can't achieve this without the wonderful support of your family. Have you always had a working life alongside before you took on this, sort of embarked on this journey? Or was it, tell us a little bit. Yeah.
No, Rohini, I've been a homemaker. Actually totally boring personality, which I only after trash happened to me, some excitement came into my life. So I have 2 sons. It's a joint family, very supportive husband. Everything is taken care of. So I wouldn't move a muscle. So it was like that for me. But then family support is very important. I mean, that encouragement. So I try to go out of the home to find if there is something that I could do, very, very cautiously, because I have been such a homemaker who would not go out alone without my husband, So when I was growing up, I had a twin sister and it was always with her. So I never knew life without a support. So, but then I met amazing people, and I'm just too excited that I am in this space, and I don't think I'll ever stop. It's like, there's some mission that I don't specify, but every platform that I get, I love talking about, what we can do to make this world a little better.
Nohani, age with you, of course, ये समझ आता है, लोग कहते हैं कि age is just a number. And what I want you to do is actually tell us how old you are, just for the sake of inspiration, and if you don't mind.
Absolutely. I'll be 60 this June. Yeah, 60 this June. And it's fantastic. I think the last 15 years have been totally different from what it was the previous 45 years. So I'm still looking forward for another 45 years.
Truly, age is just a number, and you prove that. Honestly, truly, and I think that today that's what this is about. And the beautiful thing is that social media has been this, place जहाँ पर influencer culture या influencer celebrities पिछले कुछ सालों में काफी popular हो गए हैं. But as I said, a celebrity or an influencer with a true influence, that is you, Vani. And that is why today I said I want to have a chat with you on Radio Nasha on a very special occasion. And this is, of course, something called the Radio Nasha Heroine Awards. Now, this is something that we do every year. And this is something that we do for Women's Day. And I just want to share something that is going to reach you very, very soon. I don't know if you can have a look.
Oh, my God. Thank you so much.
Murthy, you are a true heroine. आप है trailblazer in sustainability. Thank you for using social media the way you do, and really, thank you for saving our planet.
I'm touched. Thank you.
Yes, ये हमारी तरफ से है, और हमारे साथ the wonderful Namaha Healthcare. They're also somebody who really believes in you and your mission, and they also want to congratulate you. So I really want to say thank you for doing what you do and not being afraid.
Thank you, Rohini. Thank you so much. Thank you, Radio Nasha. Thank you so much.
It's so beautiful. Thank you.